What's up, everybody? My name is Bryan Brozy. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, personal trainer, and co-host of the B.Well Beyond podcast. Today I'm going to show you a very basic, easy exercise to begin to help strengthen those shoulders, get those shoulders into good position, help undo upper cross syndrome, get you in a nice, proud, good, biomechanically efficient posture, and that is just scapular retractions. So we know that the shoulder blades, they protract and they retract. Protract forward, retract back. They also upwardly rotate, downwardly rotate. And they've got some other motions, but what we want to do with scapular retraction, so we're thinking about our shoulder blades, right? We want to squeeze our shoulder blades down and back, hold, and relax. Squeeze our shoulder blades down and back, hold, and relax. If you have a tactile cue or some sort of, like my hand, a finger, right here, it's almost like you're trying to, I'm going to do it on my right side, trying to pinch my finger or my thumb here in between my middle back. So it's like you're trying to take your shoulder blades, they're swinging out and forward and protracting forward, you're retracting and depressing them down and back. I love, as we're just starting to do this exercise for the first few times, to work on some holds, like perform the exercise, hold that contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, so you can really start to develop some of that neuromuscular control. I love starting in supine. Again, it's just a nice way to help facilitate relaxation, being open, and then being able to relax, get in tune with those muscles, feel your shoulder blades basically squeeze down and back, and you'll feel kind of also that openness of the chest that you create. And you can do this exercise literally anywhere. If you're sitting in traffic, squeeze your shoulder blades down and back as you're holding onto the wheel. Anywhere, you're waiting in the grocery line, you can do a few of these. I do love starting with some more prolonged holds to get that neuromuscular control, get that neuromuscular connection there as well. But perform this as directed on your home protocol, or just give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.